The Uber driver on the way here told me what areas kind of to not go past, so I don't get into the ghetto, but I do want some kind of grimy street shots. What's up, everybody? It's about 4 a.m. I just got back from my San Francisco, Utah trip about a couple days ago, heading out on another one. Today we are shooting a boat for marine video production over in Cleveland, Ohio, right by the lake. Not the first place you think of when you think of boats in the boating industry, I guess. And we're shooting an 80-foot Lazara, so it should be pretty nice. We have today, the day that I'm arriving. I was supposed to arrive at 11, but now I'm arriving around 12:30ish. Flying back to Miami tomorrow, so it's a quick little trip up to Cleveland, and I will see you in Cleveland. We have just landed in Cleveland after the 2 connecting flights. Waiting for the Uber right now. It's a beautiful day, and we're gonna head straight to the boat. Got something to eat just now. We had a pretty short first day here in Cleveland. Basically shot the interiors, the cabins, minus the salon. But the captain said it was a little too much trouble to take the boat off the dock and to do the running shots today. It was too windy and too choppy out in the lake. So I kind of shot everything that I could on the inside, and we plan on taking the boat out tomorrow morning. We're gonna get some nice sunrise runs, and then I'm gonna shoot all the regular exterior and then salon and all those areas with the big open windows. What I might be doing tonight is heading out into the city, because I brought the film camera with me, the Canon A1 and some Cinestill, and just gonna scope out some locations, see if I find something interesting, street photography type stuff. The Uber driver on the way here told me what areas kind of to not go past, so I don't get into the ghetto, but I do want some kind of grimy street shots.
So I was laying down. And I just closed my eyes. Every cell in my body is accelerated out into the universe.
We just wrapped up the last of the interiors, did the awesome drone flying shots with the golden sunrise coming through, a couple of different directions, some maneuvers, and then regular exterior, and then, as I mentioned, the interior shots. So that is a wrap for this yacht shoot out here in Cleveland for Marine Video Production, and I will see you guys on the next one.